Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, April 26th, 2025 at 10:33. You will have to excuse me for today as I am dealing with allergies today in this video, so you're going to have to bear with me as we go through this day one outlook. Everything loaded? Nope. Oh, there we go. So anyway, here we go. Today's outlook, we do have a small slight here for parts of Texas and Oklahoma. We do have this marginal risk that extends from Colorado, going into New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, a little bit of Louisiana, and Arkansas. We have this marginal risk over here that also goes from a little bit of South Carolina through North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, a little bit of Pennsylvania, and up into New York State. Even New York City, excuse me. So, we do have cities like Wichita Falls, Muskogee, Shawnee, Ardmore, and Denison under the slight risk, and New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Oklahoma City under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what risks we've got for today. Today we've got a 5% risk for parts of Oklahoma, and today we've got a 2% for parts of New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and a little bit of Louisiana there. So some of our cities that we do have include Shawnee, Ardmore, Ada, Durant, and Okmulgee under the 5%, and Oklahoma City, Lubbock, Amarillo, Abilene, and Norman under the 2%. So for the 5% area, you could see a brief tornado of an EF1 possible, and 2% you could just see a brief EF0, maybe an EF1 if it does become strong enough. So please be mindful that is a possibility today. Moving on to today's wind outlook, we have the 15% for parts of Oklahoma and Texas. Then we do have this 5% that extends from Colorado down into New Mexico, over into Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana there. Excuse me. We also have this separate 5% that's for parts of South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, D.C., Delaware, a little bit of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and a little bit of New York State, including the city. So we do have the 5%. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and read off the cities. We just did the risks. Wichita Falls, Muskogee, Sherman, Shawnee, and Ardmore under the 15%, and New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Oklahoma City under the 5%. So if you are in the 15% area, you could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible. But if you are in the 2% area, you could see damaging wind gusts of just 60 to 70 miles per hour. It still is damaging, so please be mindful of that as a possibility. Going into today's hail risk, we've got the 5% here that extends from Colorado down into New Mexico, over into Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas, and Louisiana. So we do have that risk area here today. So some cities that might see some hail could be Oklahoma City, Lubbock, Shreveport, Amarillo, and Abilene under the 5%. So you could see damaging hail of 1 to 2 inches possible. So please be mindful. 1 to 2 inch hail are possible in the area today. Then going into today's summary, it says strong to potentially severe storms are possible later today across parts of the southern high plains into the Arklatex region. Higher confidence is expected from south-central Oklahoma and far south-central Texas into eastern Oklahoma. Isolated severe storms are also across parts of the mid-Atlantic and Carolinas. So there you have it. There is the severe weather outlook for today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will be back a little bit later for the day 2 outlook video. So anyway, I really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe, and take care, everybody.